Welcome to the Dintalks Channel. Today Dintalks Channel has come up with new videos, and that's his 5 best DSLR cameras you can buy. The link of the products also giving in the description box. Please like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for features update. The first one on the list, Canon Rebel T7. The heart of the Rebel T7 is in 24MP APS-C sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, which combine to provide both speed throughout the camera system as well as notable image quality. Up to 3 FPS shooting is possible. To shoot moving subjects for up to 150 consecutive JPEGs and Full HD 1080p video at 30 FPS can also be recorded. For working in a variety of lighting conditions, the sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 6400 can be further expanded to ISO 12800 to benefit photographing in low light situations. The second one on the list, Nikon D7500. Flagship performance and innovation in a more compact and streamlined connected camera. The D7500 delivers the game-changing resolution, ISO range, image processing, and energy efficiency of the award-winning D500 in an enthusiast-level DSLR. Simply put, the D7500 is built to outperform any camera in its class with top-tier image quality, blazing speed, flawless autofocus, 4K Ultra HD video, and pro-grade creative tools, all in a comfortable. This is a camera for the new generation of creators. The third one on the list, Panasonic LUMIX G85. 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor with no low-pass filter, resulting in a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power over existing 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensors with 12-60mm lens, shoot lighter and faster with the modern hybrid photography performance of camera, and nearly half the bulk of most DSLRs. 4K QFHD video recording, plus exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus allows you to record photos up to 30 FPS and set your desired focus points after the photo has been taken. The fourth one on the list, Pentax Mark III. The Pentax digital SLR K-series cameras are equipped with the SR mechanism built into the camera body. Because shake reduction is applied in the camera body, this means that any lens compatible with the K-series cameras will benefit from image stabilization. By using 3 ED glass lens elements and 2 super low dispersion glass lens elements, a clear image is achieved with less chromatic aberration. Thanks to the 20-element sharp images are captured even at the edges at any given focal length. The last one on the list, Sony Alpha 7. Delivering outstanding performance and excellent image quality in both stills and movies. The A7 new 33.0 megapixel 1x more R CMOS image sensor provides high-speed readout, high sensitivity, low noise, and highly accurate color reproduction. The A7 uses the latest image processor to offer greatly enhanced performance, with improved image quality and color reproduction. Fast processing speeds facilitate comfortable continuous shooting, as well as responsive operation while performing data transfers. And that's all for today's video. Links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.